Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Wishing you a very happy Eid from my family to yours. This is the makeup look that I'm going to create this Eid. Hope you like it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So hello everyone, hope you are fine. So I know I'm a little bit late uploading this video. I've made it a long time ago, believe me on that. So without waiting, let's start this makeup look. So I took the primer that is oil free and like keeps my makeup matte. It's quite hot here in Pakistan, so I basically find makeup products that last longer. After that, I use this color correcting palette because my face is like 2 or 3 colors these days. There are so many hyperpigmentation signs on my face, especially my dark circles are screaming these days. So yeah, I was just covering all the blemishes and spots and whatever I could find in my face. Then I took this foundation from Maybelline. Whatever, I don't know the name of this, but it's very very famous and very common here in Pakistan. It's medium coverage base, but this was the only thing that I could found at that moment, so I basically tried it. So now just blending everything out so my face looks a little bit even. So at this moment Arif decided to wake up and his expressions are priceless. I'm sure he doesn't know where he is and what's been going on. But it's so freaking cute. Just look at him. Doing some things that only he knows what he's doing, but it's really cute to see babies do weird stuff. So back when I was filming, I did not notice him, but he looks pretty cute at this moment, no? So I applied concealer on the shining spot of my face and I left it there for a few minutes. Then I took this eyebrow gel to fill up my eyebrows. The eyebrows were so out of shape. I had to like make marks so that I know what I'm doing. Whenever you are using an eyebrow gel or eyebrow pomade, you have to trust the process because in the beginning it looks hideous. I was looking hideous and I was scared for a while because my eyebrows got so thick that my face was looking a little bit smaller and disproportionate. But trust me, you have to trust the process, it would look fine. Once your eyebrows are nicely filled, you have to brush them up real nicely so that the pigment can disperse equally. The trick then is to cover all the sides of your eyebrows with a very high coverage concealer. I'm using this medium coverage concealer because I couldn't find my high coverage concealer back then. And this is the one. It's from Fit Me. I don't think it's very high coverage, but it works for me, and especially here it does, as you can see. I then use this eyebrow base. I usually don't use eyebrow base, but this is an occasional makeup, so I had to be a little bit more formal with the looks and the makeup products that I'm using. Once you are done, it's time for you to apply the eyeshadow. I didn't know what I'm gonna do back then, which is very wrong of me, weird of me, but I just started off, with a very neutral base. Any color would work, and then I instantly jumped onto the darkest shade that I could find in this palette. Just shaping my eyes with the color. As I told you before, it's the darkest color in the palette, and then I use this color to just blend it all out on my crease because my eyes are hooded. You can use any palette that you like, and you can also play with the colors because all of us humans are different from each other. One trick that I use during the makeup is to leave my concealer a little bit longer, especially under my eyes, क्योंकि मेरे dark circles, they're so freaking loud. उससे ये है कि आपकी इवन लो कवरेज कंसीलर भी हाई कवरेज वर्क करना शुरू कर देता है. डू इट एंड यू विल थैंक मी लेटर, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट. के बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा कंसीलर अपनी आईलिड्स पे लगाया था ताकि ये कलर जो मैं ब्लू यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो थोड़ा पॉप आउट करे. एंड एज यू कैन सी आई एम जस्ट बिल्डिंग अप माई कलर. मैंने एकदम से बहुत सारा आई शेडो नहीं लगाया अपनी लिड पे, सो आई वाज जस्ट बिल्डिंग द कलर अप. So at this moment I was just edging my eyes out with the concealer ताकि थोड़ा बहुत शेप कुछ आंखों का सही हो जाए. And I didn't fail, I think just it did work. वही कलर जो आपने आईज के ऊपर यूज़ किए हैं, यूज़ द सेम कलर अंडर योर आईज एज वेल. And then one of my nightmares followed me, that is to apply fake lashes. It's been months since I applied fake lashes. I'm not much comfortable around them, but I had to for this look. You can use any lash size or length, whatever you like, but I used the lightest one here that I had, and they just worked fine for me in this look. Then I made this little wing at the end just to finish off this look. And then the light went out. और पाकिस्तान में आजकल लाइट आ कम और जा ज़्यादा रही है, as you know, but I had to keep going. I was almost done with my look. I couldn't stop, so I just kept going. Then it's the time for mascara. I used this pink blush mascara, which is good for all nighttime events. Add the shiniest mascara in the inner corner of your eyes. This will open up your eyes and will give a very good finish to your makeup. And contour your face however you like, whatever suits you. So this is how I did it.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws.
If you want your contouring to be more prominent, always use setting powder or compact powder to highlight these areas of your face. This will give more edge to your face and make it more even and aligned. Yeah.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by.
And I'm always blended with my highlighters, as you can see.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play.
Here I used two floral shaded lipsticks, and then I finished it off with an eyeshadow color, which most of you don't know, but it's a good trick to keep your lipstick matte and longer lasting. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I did take pictures in different filters and settings so that you will have an idea of how this makeup looks. And yeah, that's it.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearrange.
I hope you like this look and I hope you recreate it, and if you do so, do let me know on my social media accounts that you're following. I hope that you do. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Every day I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh,